I guess probably the next thing we're gonna move on to is that new driver's door. We need to rip out the interior of it because the old one has to be changed over from the old door to that, and we have to get it ready for painting, and then also get everything else ready for painting. So I guess let's start on that. And that, my friends, is how you open a window when you need to. And it's not hooked up to the truck. You just find a battery and a couple wires, and you look at the wires on the wiring harness, and ta-da, it's open. Well guys, we are back and we are done painting. So here's what it all looks like. Those things, here's the new door. It's all done. The hood is painted. These two corners are where it was chipped up. And then this is all chipped up along the bottom here. So I'm pretty happy with it all, but it's not perfect, and I don't know quite what I messed up. There's a couple spots where orange peel is pretty bad. There's not much I can do about it because it's matte paint. I can't buff it, I can't sand it, can't really do anything. Well folks, it is 9 p.m. and we do not have much time. I have an hour till I have to be in bed. Hopefully we'll have a little bit of time tomorrow morning if we can get up and get some good work done on this before work tomorrow. But let's just see what we can get done tonight in the short bit of time we have. These parts are all looking really great. Here's the new fender. I am quite happy with it. The old rear driver's side door that was dinged up that we had to fix. And then the hood, which we fixed the corners, repainted the entire hood, and new door. And the passenger side fender, that this was all black around the antenna here from the first time we'd painted it. So I guess let's just see how it goes, get started on it, and see what we can do. That driver's door is complete. It is put together, so it's time to open up this garage door, unwrap that truck quick, bring in the hood that I set out there yesterday, and then pull the truck in. We got a lot of this thing together, and it is time to start working on the front bumper. This right here, we got to take off this structural bumper here. We have to remove that skid plate, a few different things. All of this is thrown together, and then we need to start building our new front bumper. Doors are on last night. This still has to be put together, and then put on our new driver's side mirror, and then pretty much the truck will be done. So I guess let's just pull this truck out of here quick, or back it out a little ways so we have a little bit more space to work, bring in the new steel, and start getting ready to build this bumper. brakes are bled. We did that last night, my brother and I, quick. It was really late. That is done, so the truck is drivable now. We took it for a test drive. It works. So let's unpack our new driver's side mirror, pop it on there, and then we're going to move this truck to my garage and start moving our tools. So let's just do it. Look at that, a Hershey's chocolate bar with my new mirror. Time to load up some stuff and take that thing away. Well guys, this is my garage at my apartment and it's time to start using it. So we got my Rabbit moved from my friend's garage and the truck is sitting right in front of me. It is now here. We brought all my tools here 2 nights ago, or was it last night? No, it was last night. So we got all my tools here. We brought the bumper, the rest of the bumper kit, everything over here. So it's time to get working on it. I guess let's just turn around the truck. So I guess let's just pull out the welder and pull out the other parts for the bumper and really just start figuring out what we're going to do on this tonight. The goal is to have the bumper completely tacked tonight and put together so that we can just remove it and weld the whole thing solid and paint it. So I'm hoping by this weekend to have this truck done, and it is Thursday night currently. Well, the front of it is tacked on, it's all together, and it is time to move on to putting on the rest of it and just tacking it all together. Hopefully we can get it all done tonight. Well folks, other than the clevis hooks, this thing is pretty much tacked together, so I'm pretty happy with it. We did run into some little issues because of the bumper mount here being bent and stuff like that, and just trying to get everything straight with the truck after it being in the accident. But I am pretty happy with it. It is looking pretty good. So we are going to have to weld all this up. Well guys, it is the next day and we have the bumper off. I did a little bit of welding on it this morning. There's how the truck is looking. I guess let's just start welding on it and see how far we can get, because we have to weld this whole thing and paint it. So let's just start welding. Well folks, we are on our way up north to my hometown where my oldest brother lives to give him back the truck. So let's go and see if we can get a reaction from him. And yeah, hopefully we can surprise him with it. He doesn't know it's done yet. Well, I don't believe he does. So let's go and see it. Hi.
How's it going?
Good. You? Good.
Well, the truck is finally done. We delivered it back to my brother, and here it is. I am really happy with how it's looking. It turned out really well. It's not quite as good as I hoped for, but we had to get it done, and I'm pretty happy with it. He is really happy with it, and that's great. So I guess let's just take a quick video of it and show you how it looks. Well, I gave the truck back to my brother, and it's time to head out now.